what we have discussed in the last session. Hello. I think we have discussed in the last session like how to bypass the OTP and how to tamper the prices and all, like how to reduce the price in a web application. Like this we have discussed in the last session. Am I right? Okay, fine. So today we will see some more things. So today we are going to discuss how to hack the Android mobile. So with some payload, a malware using a malware, how to hack a mobile phone. So for this one, so we have some requirements are there. So the requirement is nothing but so we are not going to install the malware directly in our mobiles. Suppose what will happen if you install the malware in your mobiles, it will damage your operating system or it may corrupt your hardware things. So that's why what we are doing here. So we are creating a virtual mobile, and inside that mobile, we are pasting the malware. Once the malware has been executed, you will get all the connections. Yes, is it clear? So today's agenda is this. So So here what we have to do is just go to the browser and type for Genymotion for Windows. So here you can see that Genymotion desktop download is there, right? So open this one and you have to download it for the Windows. So download for Windows option is that click on this one and don't click on this Genymotion desktop plus VirtualBox. Because we already have this VirtualBox, just go with this Genymotion desktop only and then download this. So I'm sharing this link in the chat box too. So if you want, you can download it from here also, or otherwise you can visit this one and just download it. So meanwhile, I'll install this one. Everyone, please download that one. Yeah. So once it is downloaded, so it will look like this. So Genymotion 3.7.1. Just double tap on this one. So if it is asking for any security things like SR, no, just click on yes. And then click on next, next, install. Just a basic installation only. So no need to worry anything. So in the last, we have to create an account. So install this Genymotion right now. Yeah. So don't select the first option, that is a restart now. Select the second option, that is I'll restart later. So if you see here, we already have some shortcuts in the desktop, and just click on finish. That's it. So everyone please download and install this one. Is it clear for everyone? Does anyone have any doubts how to install this Genymotion? Yeah, do you have any doubts? So after installing this one, open the first one, that is a Genymotion shell. Okay. Don't open the Genymotion shell. Yes, Sandeep, I'll provide you the link again in the chat box. So from here you can download the Genymotion. So open the second one. Don't open the Genymotion shell. Open the second one, Genymotion. The interface look like this. So here I already have some mobile. I'm deleting this one. So the interface will look like this. So let me know once it is downloaded and installed. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Does anyone have any doubts? Yeah, guys, is it clear or not? Okay. So please complete this one and let me know. Yeah, is it done? Yes, indeed. So Genymotion is like to create a virtual mobiles. So the Genymotion is used to create a virtual mobiles. Like we have a virtual box, is there, right? To create a virtual missions. So like this, we have a Genymotion. BlueStacks, like similar to BlueStacks. Yeah. So download and install this one. Let me know, guys. What about remaining one? Yeah. So after downloading this one, okay. So here we have a plus icon is there. So just click on the plus button and select the custom phone and name your phone. So here I'm naming my phone is a test 2. Like this, name your phone and select the Android version is here I'm selecting Android 5. Then click on next. So everyone please do that one. So here we have to set the process, memory size and all. So don't change anything, just go to the next, next, next. And here you need to select the bridge adapter. So it is default with a NAT. So here you have to select the bridge, then install it. That's it. So it will take some time to install that one because it will download the mobile interface. So everyone, please do that. If you have any doubts, you can share your screen. I'll stop my screen, or ping me in the chat box also. I'll stop my screen. Then you can share your screens. Clear? This one, how to create a mobile. So, so once it is done, so you will get here the device installed successfully, and here you have to start that one. Okay, so you can click on this play button, it will start the machine. Okay, I hope it is clear, right, for everyone. Does anyone have any doubts how to install this one? Yeah, just let me know if you have any doubts. Is it clear or not? Hello, hello guys, are you there? Doing okay. Yes, so you have to create an account there. Can anyone please share your screen? Sandeep, please share your screen. Forgot to tell you, we have to create an account there. So I'm stopping the screen sharing. Can anyone please share your screen? So I'm giving the screen sharing option right now. Yeah, Sandeep, please share your screen. Don't give your original email address here. So don't give your original email address. So everyone, so whenever you got an account login page, in the bottom side you can find that create an account. So just click on that create an account. It will be redirect to this website and open a new tab. The same website, open a new tab. Yes, Sandeep, open a new tab. Okay. So open that temp mail. Temp mail. So everyone, please use the temp mail only. Don't give your original email address. So here you have to select for the testing automation. Yes. Select the second one, usage, and the company type is a security company. And give some random company name like you can give your name also, and then check all the boxes and click on create an account. Now you will receive a confirmation email to your mail. Just confirm your account. Just click here, then confirm it. Hmm. Now account has been activated successfully. Just go back to your Jenny motion. I think Sandeep, you have not shared your entire screen. You're just only sharing only one tab. Sandeep, try to share the entire screen. So just provide the credentials here, then click on next. Agree. Personal use and agree. Next. Check the box. Next. That's it. Close everything or close the notifications. Click on plus button and create a one virtual mobile here. Go to the custom phone. First one. You can give your own name, whatever you wish. Yes. Select Android 5. Next. 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 So here I have to select the bridge adapter. The next. So this is the process, guys. Everyone, please install one mobile here. So virtual mobile, and let me know once it is done. All right. So once if it is installed, you can just start the machine. Just click on here, start. It will boot it and it will open in the virtual box. So after it will run here, you'll get an Android mobile. So now we are going to install the malware in this mobile. Okay. So if you want, you can try that malware in your own mobile also, not an issue. But if anything happens to your mobile, like we are not responsible. First, I'll use my mobile only for installing all these malwares. So later, it damaged my IC chip. So that's why I have not used my own mobiles to test all these things. That's why I'm using this one. If you want to try, you can try. Okay. So just now we have installed one application, I mean one tool. So now we have to create a malware here. So we are creating a malware using MSF Venom. So everyone please start the Kali Linux and note down the command. So with that come see what how we are exploited the Windows string. Have you remember that one? Have you remember? So how we have exploited the Windows string using MSF Venom malware. Yeah, how many of you remember that one? Using a malware, we hacked the Windows 10. So no one is remember. Fine. So the tool we are using to create a malware is a MSF Venom. So MSF Venom we are using, and here we are using Android Meter Peter. Okay. So here MSF Venom, Android Meter Peter reverse TCP. Whenever we exploited a target mobile, you will get a meter Peter. And here we are mentioning the platform. What is the platform we are mentioning here? It's an Android. It's an Android based platform. We are going to exploit that one. And here you are providing your current local host, that is a listening host, and the listening port number. And you are saving this file in this location. So this location is a Kali Linux server location. So you can use the IP address of the Kali Linux to launch a browser, I mean a website. Okay. So and I have saved the application with a bank update.apk. So like we have to send this one to through WhatsApp or through USB or through emails, like whatever you want. You have to perform some social engineering and you have to share this bank update.apk to the your target one. Yes, is it clear? This one, the same thing we have used for the Windows 10 exploitation also. Instead of Android, we have used there a Windows platform. So wherever we have used Android, we have to replace that Android with a Windows. Simple. So here the platform we have mentioned the Windows, and here instead of APK we have to mention the exe. That's it. Okay. So if it is fine, just create this payload, everyone. And then after this one, we have to launch our server. See, if I open this one in my target mobile, the IP address 192.168.29.100, I won't get anything because the page is not available because we have not started the server yet. So if you want to start the server, just type the service Apache to start. So with this command, it will start the Apache server. If you want to know whether the server is running or not, so we have two methods are there. So first one service status Apache to status you can check. So here you can see it is active and running. And one more thing, you can go to the website and then hit enter again. So here you can see that one list of applications we have. But if you send this IP address to your target user, so they will feel like, okay, it seems something fishy like this. So what you have to do is, so you have to send the application with some forward slash. So here I'm putting a forward slash and directly I'm typing bank update.apk. So what it will, this URL will do is whenever this URL has been executed, automatically the file will be downloaded. So if the user clicks on that link, automatically the file will be downloaded in the backend. Got it? Yes. So one more thing we have not completed yet. Just we have created a malware and we have sent to our target system. But before installing that malware, what we have to do? We have to activate the listeners. Okay, we have to activate the listeners. Otherwise, if the target code is sending the signals, so you cannot receive that one. Without any listeners, you cannot receive anything. So that's why I'm starting here the listeners using the MSF console. MSF console. Here, search for multi forward slash handler, then hit enter. So same thing for the Windows also we have used this multi-handler. So the purpose of this multi-handler is so it will activate the listeners. So whenever target system sends the signals, it will capture all the things. So we have to use the seventh one. So we have a lot of things are there, but the seventh one is highlighted is the exploit and some manual payload. We use this one. And here you can see that it is configured with a generic shell reverse TCP. But actually, what is the payload we have used here? That is the Android Meterpreter reverse TCP. So you have to use this payload only here also. So here type set payload, paste it. And you have to type the options command here. Then check what is the required things. We have to provide the L host, set L host, that is our Kali Linux host. Kali Linux IP address we need to provide here. And then exploit the machine. So we are not going to hack the mobile system with a single IP address. So it is started the listeners. So now what we have to do, we have to manipulate the end user, that is a target user, to install that application in our system. So here they have downloaded. Okay. So go to the downloads. Here you can see that bank update. It's a 10 KB. Just tap on this one. For security, so we already seen this type of blocks in our mobile also, like while installing a third-party applications or while installing this kind of mod APKs. So at that time, what we will do? We'll simply click on settings, unknown resources. Okay, that's it. Then you can install the thing. Next, install. Okay. So whenever you open that application, here you will get a Meterpreter connection. So what you can do with this Meterpreter connection? Just type help command here. So here you can see that if you want, you can install an app. You can see the app list, what are the apps are running. So if you want, you can uninstall an app. activity, root, dump call logs. You can dump the call logs, dump contacts, dump SMSs. So if you want, you can send SMSs to remote one. So if you see here, as of now, zero messages are there, no conversations are there. So here I'm sending the message send SMS hyphen D is the destination number. So here I'm sharing my number and hyphen T. So here you have to paste the text, then hit enter. So SMS send transmission is successful. If you see here, here you can see that from this phone they have sent one message. And one more thing you can see, if you want to dump all these messages, you can use a dump SMS. And here you can see that so the message has been down saved to this text folder. Just copy the text folder, open a new tab, cat, paste it, and here you can see that. So what is the message number outgoing and what is the number they have used, what are the messages they have mentioned. So everything you can see using this meter. Yes, is it clear? Not only this one, you can record mic, webcam chat, webcam list. So screen share option also there. So you can use the screen. We'll see. No, it's not working. The screen share is not working here. Yeah, is it clear for everyone? Does anyone have any doubts? Okay, I'll show you this payload name. So how to create this one? So you have to use this one. In place of lhost here, you have to mention your Kali Linux IP address. Okay. So just do this one and let me know. Then you have to start your service Apache 2. Then you have to start your multi-handler. Search multi-handler, use 7, set the payloads on. So first create a malware with this one and let me know. Which one, which command? MS of Venom, yeah. So MS of Venom is the tool we are using to create a malware and hyphen P is the payload. So this is the payload we are using because we are targeting an Android mobile. So that's why I have provided here Android interpreter reverse TCP. It means whenever the malware is executed, we will get the interpreter connection. And the next, so here I mentioned the platform. What is your target platform? Is Android platform. So we are targeting an Android mobile. We have to attack that Android mobile. Then we have to mention the listening host. See, after exploiting the target system, it will start sending the signals towards the host mission, like a attacker mission. So that what we have to do, we have to launch some listeners here to receive those signals. So for receiving signals, we are mentioning, so this is a host mission, this is a attacking mission. So we have to send signals to this IP address and it will send the signals to this IP address. And the next L port we are using and hyphen small o that is output file. So here we are saving the output file and this is the server location. We are saving the file in the server location. So if you want to save the file in the server location, you should be in a root. Otherwise, you cannot save in this location. If you are using a normal user, so the file access will be denied. So only the root user can access this file location. So while creating a malware, you should be in a root. Okay, bank update.apk. So whatever you wish, you can name that apk file, malicious file. Got it, Sandeep? Yeah. So do it now and let me know. Yeah, is it done that creation of malware? Yes. Does anyone have any facing any issues? Okay. So after creating the malware, just start your service Apache to start. So no issues. I'm sharing these commands in the chat box too. And then next, so you have to open MSF console. Then in MSF console, search for the multi-handler. So if you're getting all these things and just select the use 7, and then next we have to set the payload like this, set a payload. And then next, go to the options, set the host value, that is your Kali Linux value, and then exploit it. So after exploiting that one, so in the Genymotion virtual mobile, just open the IP address and forward slash your malware name. Like it should look like, so it should look like HTTP for 192.168.0.100 forward slash malware name.apk. So if a user clicks on this one, automatically it will be redirect to the website and it will download automatically. So no need to click on the malware name and all things. Okay, so it is easy thing to download an application in the target systems. Yeah, is it clear? Yeah, is it completed the attack? 116. Yeah, guys, is it completed or not? Uh, yeah, do it. Yeah, well done, Sandeep. You got the Meterpret connection. So after getting the Meterpret connection, try to execute these commands like sending SMSs, dumping the SMSs, dumping the call logs, okay, system info, screenshots, camera settings. So try to get these things, record mic. So try to perform all these things. Yeah, fine. I hope it is clear for everyone, right? Does anyone have any doubts? Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll give you the assignment. So before coming to the next session, just gather some information about what is cryptography and what is steganography. So in the Monday session, we will going to discuss this cryptography and steganography, and that will be our last session in cybersecurity, ethical hacking. Okay, so just gather the information about cryptography and steganography. So what is the importance of the cryptography and steganography? Okay, so we will see some practical things in the next class. I hope it is clear for everyone, right? Yes, is it clear for everyone or not? Let me know if you have any doubts or you want to ask me anything, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up this session. Okay. All right, guys. So I think you don't have any doubts. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the joining. Mandira. Hello, Mandira. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. It's completed. Thank you.